Welcome! We're so excited to help you learn about government and public policy in Pennsylvania. By the end of this course, you will be more prepared to determine the policies and themes you'll run on and to handle others that may come up during your campaign. You will also be equipped with your community stories and some language about these issues that will help your message resonate on the campaign trail. Now, from the outset, we want to be clear about what the goals of this course are and are not. You need not be a policy expert to run for office successfully or to govern effectively. But it pays to be familiar with the major policies affecting your community, the basic background, the prevailing positions and narratives, and the political constituencies behind them. And to have an impact, it's crucial to understand the authorities and tools you will have in government, and also where you may need the support of others. So here's how we're going to guide you there in 6 modules. First, we're going to give you a brief state of the state. At a high level, who makes up Pennsylvania and your local community in particular? What are the major sectors of the economy and how have they been changing? This is motivation for the second module, government. You're interested in making positive change through government. So what's the role of each of the major governing bodies from the state to local level? How does each operate? This is a practical civics review. In Module 3, we dig in further on the main levers you might use to implement policy. In the 4th module, we complement this with a brief background on the major sectors of Pennsylvania that you may be seeking to influence. How are those systems structured, and how are they changing? This all prepares us for Module 5, running through the major issues currently affecting the state and the policy discussions around each. These policy discussions involve the potential of government to use its levers of power to influence a set of sectors in the state. We'll give you background and prep you to engage your local community to hear their voices on these issues. This is a solid foundation, but if and when you need further policy insight, you needn't fend for yourself. In the final module, we will provide connections to policy expertise you can continue to draw on before and after Election Day. Before we jump in, a crucial point. We will be discussing a range of issues, some which may be unfamiliar to you personally, but that impact constituencies represented in your district with whom you will engage during this course and beyond. To get the most out of this training and understand the interests of the people you wish to serve, we recommend that you try to be curious, humble, and empathetic as you engage with the material and your constituents. Again, we're excited to be with you for this stage of your journey. Now let's dig in.